Vuarnet Edge sunglasses, a nice little twist on a modern classic. So these are a nice little touch here. They're also great for covering up when you got this going on. Fun things, maybe too much coffee today after not having it for 2 weeks, whatever. Anyways, so back to the main point, the Vuarnet sunglasses. That's what you guys care about, right? This particular is the Edge 1613 in the gold and black. So with these, you get this nice black trim ring that is an acetate insert inside of the metal frame. Of course, the lenses are inserted in that. The great thing with the glass lenses, it gives you a nice little bumper all the way around, so if you do happen to drop them, smash them, something you're not supposed to do, any of those bad things that can damage lenses, first of all, they're glass, so they're harder to break anyways. But if you do happen to drop them, say you face first, you've got a little bit of a buffer there, just like you would with a phone case, where that lip exceeds a little bit. You can see it's not quite. You've got more of that trim ring than the front of the lens exposed. So it gives you a nice little area to protect that if you do happen to drop it. Less chance of breakage. So that's not the big thing with the Edge, though. So what actually makes the Edge series what it is, you'll see exactly what you get. So that is called the Edge because the edge of this comes out and wraps just a little bit. So the actual frame itself wraps a little bit, and then you've got that trim ring that pops out and wraps around a little bit further. So this is another way to get that great fashion look. You probably heard me talking about that in the Legend 02, where it wraps a little bit more without having those side shields. It's a love it or hate it thing with side shields. Some people absolutely love the look, some hate it. I fall into the not so much category, but that's me. We all have our own tastes. I like the edgier, cleaner look, something like this. Now the Glacier is the one exception to that. I do love the leather side shields on that, but that's kind of a cut above most anything else out there for that matter. But back to these guys. I'm all over the place tonight. Now, with these, as with all Vuarnets made in France, you've got this little thing here is, again, an acetate nylon composite. So, very strong, nice and lightweight frame overall, even with those glass lenses, just because of the way they make them. It's nice, it's good stuff. Now, the one negative to that, of course, you do have a lot of stuff cram-packed into this one frame. And, yeah, that makes it on the pricier side. Not quite into the territory of the Glacier frame, but still up there. So most of these Edge models are going to run around 360, 370. I think some of them get up a little into the 400 range, depending on the exact model, the lens combination. Those things all vary a little bit. This particular one is probably one of my favorites. You do have the 1618. It's a little bit smaller, doesn't have that double bar, but I do like the nice classic look of these. And again, it's a nice, well-made frame. I can't say that enough about Vuarnet, particularly their lenses are some of the best in the industry, which, isn't that the whole point of sunglasses? Yeah, kind of is. I think it is, yeah. Plus, they gotta look cool, right? That's half the fun. So they've got the nice mirrors, you've got the Ski Lynx lens available with any Vuarnet, which is always a cool lens to look at. And of course, there are brown links, polar links, all that other stuff where you get that double silver mirror coming down from the top. Now, they do have a couple other options in non-prescription. They don't offer in prescription yet, but they've got some new gradient lenses that have come out recently. There'll be another video hopefully coming soon. I've got some of those on order. I was told mid-November-ish. Sometime. Anyways, so onto the Edge. There you go. Nice frame, highly recommended. Very good construction, exactly what you would expect from Vuarnet, but expect to be somewhere around that $400 price point, but it is well worth it. Now, if this is what you were looking for, or of course if you're interested in more awesome sunglasses, lens technology, frame adjustments, all that good stuff, give me a like, drop some feedback below if you already have a Vuarnet you love. Always love hearing about these things. I want to know your favorite model, and I'll come back and give my thoughts on that one. We'll see how that goes. But otherwise, like, subscribe if you haven't already, ring the bell so you stay up to date with the latest. You get the most recent videos as we go along through this and all the new releases, all the new collections I get in the store, and all that fun sort of stuff. So we will see you guys next time.